I'm like, jokes on you, I got right to the bag. New Bentayga, blue 180 to the dash. They all...
What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are back out on the Sur Ron, and as most of you know, the main way I use to get my Sur Ron around is by stuffing it into the back of my Subaru Impreza. Isn't the most ideal method to use, so for a while now I've been wanting to get a tow bar and a bike rack, and I've been holding off from getting them because they're really expensive, but recently an amazing opportunity has come up and I just couldn't let it go by. So we were on our way from a block trip and Tom wanted to go to a pick-a-part to get some parts for his car. As we were there, we were looking around. I was like, oh, I'll go check out the Subaru spot for a bit, maybe find some things there. So walking around, bang, there was a tow bar on a Subaru and I was like, that's what I need right there. We went and checked the tow bar. It was cracked. And that was the only Impreza there. So we went to a Forester, checked out that one, and it appeared to have the exact same tow bar on it. So we're like, oh, I may as well try this one out. So we went home, got some tools, came back, asked the dude how much it was, and he said it was $100 for the tow bar for the entire thing, just $100. And a few weeks prior, I put in a quote to see how much it was going to cost. $1,000, like a perfect brand new one, electricals, everything, and this one was $100 for everything. It was kind of a no-brainer. And when we arrived with the tools, the weather wasn't really in our favor. Holy bro, it just started coming down like crazy. I'm in a random pick-apart car right now. Look at it. Yeah, that's mine. You're coming home with me. That's what we needed.
An umbrella?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just saw that guy with an umbrella.
Yeah.
Alright, we've been going through absolute war to get this tow bar off. Couple stripped bolts. We sorted it out though. We've got 2 more to go. And then it's coming home with us. Thank you so much for your generous offering though, Forester, and being our little home for the past 45 or so minutes with our tools and stuff. This tow bar is going to go to good use.
See how it's not fully flush and it's like go up more? I reckon it's because the rubber thing's pushing it up.
We got a few things we need to correct, but it fits. Let's fix those other things. We did a bunch of trial and error. It fit perfectly, but the beams that go inside of the car were a bit too long, so we had to do a bit of cutting. Once those were cut, it fit in perfectly. Tow bar was ready to go. Now all I had to do was buy a bike rack. So because I got an incredible deal on the tow bar, I decided to spend a bit more money on the bike rack. So I went with the Ballard's bike rack from MX Store. It was about $340. Here it is, just got delivered. Anyways, enough talking. It's all set up now, so we're gonna go head up the trail and we're gonna show you guys the full complete setup for the first time and do a couple test runs. And here it is, the tow bar, bike rack, and Sur Ron all completely set up. This thing's gonna be able to take not only the Sur Ron, but also the YZ125 and maybe the R3. We might have to do a little test, check the R3 on it. It's gonna look insane. The car's gonna be like, yeah, I'm super happy with how it all turned out. Now it's time to go and do its first little test drive, do some swerves, some stops, see how it holds up. Do a nice little stop test. Wait, how's it look?
That's fine.
Really?
Yeah.
I like it. Alright, so this wouldn't be a Sur Ron video if I didn't bring the Sur Ron out and actually go for a ride. So I've come out and found a really nice private road. No cars ever come here. And we're going to be doing some wheelie practice. I haven't focused on just wheelie practice on the Sur Ron for a little while, so we'll see how much I've improved. Probably not at all because I haven't been doing it, but let's see how we go. Try some new things today. Should be good. Alright, just warming up. And I love how that bike rack looks. Looks so clean. That was pretty good. Getting comfortable with the knee knockers. pretty smooth. It's actually a pretty big difference going from like riding the R3, such a wide bike, and even the YZ, such a wide bike, compared to this, and then trying to wheelie this after wheeling those bikes. It actually is a really big difference. And seat time seems to matter. Ooh. Yeah, I think we're getting into that comfort zone now. Practice a few more knee knockers. Yes. That transition into that knee knocker was really good just then, so. Yeah, let's go again. Oh. I should not be trying swerves yet. It's got so much mud on me, didn't I? Oh my. Oh my. What a weird way to end up underneath your Sur Ron. Clearly I don't have enough seat time on this thing recently. That is not how you want to end up underneath your Sur Ron. Whoa, I don't know what that is, but it's progress. It's something. Hup. Yes, something like that. I see it on Instagram. We're getting there. Progress. Let's try that foot over thing again. Knee knocker. Dude, kind of. I just don't know the exact position I need to be in because I feel kind of cramped up. I'm standing on the bike. I'm doing something. Am I not flexible enough? No, I'm pretty flexible. I do flips. Oh, I could have ended terrible. Oh, my bars are a bit loose. I think we're good. I should probably tighten that, but I have no tools here right now. Yeah, I knew I was forgetting something. That's how it's done. That was the proper form right there. I can guarantee that was 100% the proper form. I was standing upright really nicely, and I just felt really comfortable. I was hitting that balance point super easily.
Like jokes on you, I got right to the bag. New Bentayga blew 180 to the dash. They all staring when I pull up, flew right past.
Hi. Good, how are you? That's an amazing looking horse.
He's young.
You too, thank you. See, man, Sur Ron and horses. Sur Ron and cyclists, no, they don't fit. See the look he gave me? Jeez.
Fast little baby, you know me. Shit on the ceiling with stars. Say you a freak, gotta show me. Call me up, can't go to Mars. Only hit you when I'm lonely.
Not again. That's a nightmare. Having flashbacks. But yeah, on the topic of my new tow bar and bike rack, it's such a good investment for my channel because I'm gonna be able to take this bike around whenever I want. Not gonna have to borrow my dad's car anymore. I can take this bike wherever I want, whenever I want, the YZ and even the R3. So, and yeah, it just makes life so much easier having my own way to tow this bike around and my other bikes. So just try a really clean, smooth one. Straight up. It was smooth until my brakes weren't locking. Definitely need new brakes. Why do I keep putting it off? I also need a new lever. Why do I keep putting it off? My heels smack down so hard. Oh, that was it. Oh, I was just about to pack it up, but got nice and close to that trick, so I kind of want to try some more. Sort of, not really, sort of, not really. Oh, I'm so crossed up, it's insane. I'm so crossed up, but it's progress. It's progress that I'll take. Oh, that was the closest. Oh! Gonna need to tighten that. Yep, definitely gonna need to tighten that. Unfortunately, I didn't bring tools, so just gonna have to test my luck. I do not recommend that. But I'm getting this trick. Yes, yes, yes. I'll count that. I'll count that. Yes, bro, I'm doing it. Oh, I nearly got my leg back. Oh, oh. Yes, yes, I got into it and I brought it back. Wasn't very clean, but I'll count that progress as a success.
I'm sipping 1942, bitch, shit started, I'm falling down.
Oh. Ah.